Okay, number one, log in. Hit the cloud icon on the top left. School account, WCWHS. Cloud username, your first name, last initial. Password, singing85. Capital S on singing85. And today, we're doing 2.3 to 2.4. General workshops. Melodic sight singing. 2.3. I'm gonna do it in solfege, but you can hum. I'll do the first one humming. Perfecto. Next one. Do, re, mi. Do, re, mi, re, do. Do, re, mi, re, do. Do, mi, fa, mi. Mi, do, re, fa, mi. Fa, fa, mi, do, do. Re, fa, fa, re, mi. Re, do, re, do. After you do 8 questions, then you can hit the back arrow because you're done. If you got 70% or higher on your score after 8 questions. Let's try the last one for today. You can hum or la. La, 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 la. Fa, sol, mi, re, do. Re, fa, mi, re, do. Almost done. Re, do, mi, do. And if you're 90% or above, it'll say, you're done, go to the next lesson. If you are not 90% or above, then that screen won't show. But you just hit the back arrow and go to the next lesson. We did it. Good job.